This video is intended to teach you how to become successful with realtors the modern mortgage group way. Step number 1, you must bring value to realtors. We can't just ask for business, can't beg for business. We're not baby birds asking mama, feed me a loan. We offer only what is legal and compliant. Very important. Also, help realtors close more business and make more money by using the Modern Mortgage Group's tools. Now, what is compliant? Very important. Kickbacks are illegal. Please maintain your integrity. If you send a realtor a listing or a buyer, do you expect a kickback? The answer, of course, is no. Why should you give a portion of yours? Realtors earn about 3% of the sales price. Loan officers usually earn less than half of that, so you've earned your money. Paying anything of monetary value is not compliant. We are in business for the long haul. We're not in the business of committing felonies, and we do not risk our livelihood for a deal or 2 or 10. Now, what is compliant? What can we offer that is absolutely legal and compliant? Well, education can be freely offered in any amount. Time and effort on your part can be offered. Paying the proper proportion of print materials cost, also important. Including them in our social events. We have lots of social events that we hope people will take part in. We ask you to invite the realtors, let them come, get to know you, get to know us, and have a great time. Take part in their social events. Many real estate offices have lunches and seminars and sales meetings that they'll be happy to invite you to. Go to them. That shows your interest in them. Build relationships. We could put you in front of lots and lots of realtors, but we can't build the relationship for you. So we're going to talk about that again. Giving superior service. That's not lip service, it's superior service. That means close the loans, close them quickly, make that phone call, get the documents, do what it takes to get the documents to get that loan closed. Step 2, since education can be freely offered in any amount, train the realtors on the use of iPad videos. Very important to use iPad videos. It's the crux of what we teach them, and it will help them change their business. Train the realtors on the use of iPad for agents. No longer does anybody have to fill out forms, go back to their office, take the time, fill them out, and do it 10 times. Well, you can do it right on the iPad. Train the realtors on the use of Facebook. I admit myself, I thought Facebook was a kid's toy. It is a tremendous network that is very, very valuable to the real estate agent, as well as mortgage brokers and agents. Train the realtors on the use of mobile technology. There is more and more available today than ever before, and there's something for everybody. There's something that will help them get the word out and brand themselves. Train the realtors on the use of YouTube, the #1 video search engine in the world. Tremendous tool. Train the realtors on the use of blogging. Blogging does not necessarily mean that you have to type and come up with an idea to type about and all kinds of information. It could be a video. There's a lot of ways to blog today. Train the realtors on the value of open houses, even when it's not necessary for the house to sell. If you do it right, there's tremendous amount of leads for both you and the realtor. Now, in order to teach, you first have to learn. Social Networks will train you. Social Networks is an exclusive partner of the Modern Mortgage Group, and they have so many tools technologically that are so advanced that will change a realtor's business, and because of it, it will change yours also. They will give you a login and a password to their website. You get to watch over 100 videos to learn the use of the technology. But you must practice, practice, practice. There would be nothing more embarrassing than you go and sit in front of a realtor and tell them how amazing it is, yet you don't know how to do it. So It's very important to do the practice. Do a ride along with one of the social network's partners. What is that? Well, if you want to sit down with a social network's representative or partner, what happens is you make an appointment with a real estate agent, and they will come. You do the presentation. They're there to help you if you stumble. At the same time, they're testing your knowledge. So become a certified social networks trainer so that you can adequately and responsibly represent the Modern Mortgage Group. This ends part one of three